Hello, little yogis! I'm so happy you're here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today's session is filled with playful movements and gentle breaths to help you feel calm and strong. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin together.
Sit in a comfy spot with your legs crossed. Rest your hands gently on your knees. Close your eyes for a little moment. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Now breathe out slowly. Feel your body relax and get ready to move. Place one hand on the floor next to you. Lift your other arm up and over your head. Lean to the side like you are stretching toward the sky. Switch sides. Come down onto your hands and knees. Round your back up like a sleepy cat. Now, gently drop your belly and look up like a happy cow. Move slowly and keep breathing. Cat pose, cow pose. Flow back and forth. From hands and knees, walk your hands forward. Lower your chest toward the floor while keeping your hips lifted. Imagine you are a playful puppy stretching after rest. Breathe and enjoy the stretch. Bring your big toes together. Sit back on your heels. Lower your forehead to the mat. Let your arms rest and feel calm. This is a cozy resting pose, safe and quiet. Lie on your tummy. Place your hands under your shoulders. Press gently and lift your chest. Look forward like a tall, proud snake. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Smile softly if you want. Sit up tall. Place your hands on your knees. Open your chest and sit strong. Feel brave and steady inside. Shine bright and calm. Sit with your legs stretched out in front of you. Reach your arms up toward the ceiling. Slowly fold forward over your legs. Let your head and shoulders relax. It's okay if you cannot touch your toes. Bring the bottoms of your feet together. Let your knees fall gently to the sides. Hold your feet and move your legs up and down. Flutter them like butterfly wings, soft and light. Sit cross-legged. Turn your body gently to one side. Breathe in, breathe out. Switch sides. Lie on your back. Bend your knees and place your feet on the floor. Lift your hips up toward the sky. Keep your shoulders on the mat. You are a strong bridge. Maybe little cars or butterflies pass over you. Move close to a wall and lie down. Stretch your legs straight up the wall. Rest your arms by your sides. Feel your legs relax. Let your mind slow down and feel peaceful. Bring the bottoms of your feet together again while lying down. Let your knees open wide. Place your hands on your belly. Take a deep breath and feel gentle inside. Stay on your back. Keep your hands on your tummy. Breathe in slowly and feel your belly rise. Breathe out and feel it fall. Soft, calm breathing. Lie on your back. Bend one knee and gently move it across your body. Stretch your other arm out to the side. Turn your head to look that way. Feel your back gently relax. Switch sides. Place both hands on your belly. Take a slow breath in. Let it go slowly. Feel peace growing inside you. Now, lie very still. Close your eyes. Let your whole body rest. Feel light, happy, and calm. You did a wonderful job today. Take one last big breath in. Slowly breathe it out.
Fantastic job, little yogis! You moved, stretched, and breathed so beautifully today. If you had fun, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this video with your friends and invite them to join the fun next time. Now take a big, deep breath in and a slow breath out. Smile, relax, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends!